Ibuyflowers. It's me, Nia, with the Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and we are going to do a series on the function of a flower. So as you guys know, my name is Nia with Nia. I'm a floral designer. I've been in the business for at least 2 decades, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also for just a cup of coffee you can join my subscription channel, which you will learn so much, or a plethora of information. I tell you about my experience with wiring services, and also how I created a floral refrigerator. So anyway, go over there and check that out, and I hope that you enjoy those videos. So today I wanted to talk to you about the function of an arrangement. I know that most of the times I just go in and start putting in flowers, but I want to also tell you guys the function of each flower, so that when you guys begin to watch a video, that you kind of know what each flower, or how each flower kind of acts. So with that, this is for more of your asymmetrical, or your more what would you say, garden feel, or those type of arrangements. When you're just doing the standard traditional arrangement, you do have a base, but I guess it would be the same, because I mean, you do have the different functions of a flower. So, but with that one, it's a little bit different. With the function of the flower, would be a base, the focal, and then you would have like the filler and a secondary flower, and those are a little bit different. So let me talk about the base on each separate arrangement. So the base for more of a not asymmetrical, but symmetrical arrangement would be the flower that would be at the base of the arrangement, and that would be more of a larger or mid-sized type of flowers. What I usually like to use a lot is hydrangea, but that was the era of hydrangeas. What I use now, depending on what I'm doing, it could be a carnation. Don't freak out, because you really can't see them. It's just going to cover my base. So it could be a carnation, it could be a rose, and what else I usually use. So those are like my main 3 that I use. If it's more of a, yeah, those are like I'm not gonna lie, those are the main 3 that I use. So it's the base. This is what is going to cover the base of our arrangement. And when we're doing our light and airy, or even our more traditional compact, those are what are going to kind of fill in, or not really fill in, but it's going to kind of cover the base of your arrangement. So when it comes to like a traditional, also my base would be either a rose, or it could be a hydrangea. And again, it's really just going to kind of cover up my base of my arrangement. So there you go. That is the meaning of a base. So again, the base is the innermost layer, or the sturdiest of the flower. So it acts as the structure's element. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And at the bottom, tell me what you guys like to use as your base. Like, if you have a favorite arrangement that you like to do, what do you kind of use as your base flower? And I'll see you next time. Bye.